If you're still rocking a classic Jeep YJ or CJ, you know the unique joy, and let's be honest, sometimes the unique challenges that come with it. One often creeps up slowly, that emergency brake pedal that just doesn't feel right anymore. You start noticing it. The pedal feels loose, mushy. Maybe it takes a few tries to engage, or worse, it just doesn't hold. That's not just an inconvenience. It's a serious safety concern, especially when off-roading or parked on an incline. That uncertainty, that slow response, it can really take the fun out of driving your beloved Jeep. Well, this parking emergency brake pedal assembly steps in as a direct answer. Designed specifically for 8795 Jeep Wrangler YJ and 7686 Jeep CJ6, CJ7, CJ8 models, it aims to bring back that crisp, reliable braking performance you remember. What's really reassuring is its OEM replacement status, meaning it's built to match original specifications. We're talking direct compatibility with part numbers like 5,090,000 3656 AA. This isn't some generic part. It's engineered to fit perfectly, with rigorous testing claimed before leaving the factory. And when you get your hands on it, you can feel the difference. Constructed from high-quality metal, it's crucial for a component seeing so much wear and exposure. This robust build promises to resist corrosion and rust, significantly extending its lifespan compared to a worn-out original. Imagine that confidence returning. No more second-guessing if your emergency brake will hold. This assembly is designed to restore sensitive, immediate response, making your driving experience safer and, frankly, a lot less stressful. For anyone who cherishes their vintage Jeep, this isn't just a replacement part. It's an investment in safety and peace of mind. Plus, it comes with a 12-month warranty, offering extra assurance. Ultimately, if your classic Jeep's emergency brake pedal is feeling tired, loose, or unreliable, this replacement assembly looks like an incredibly solid choice. It promises to restore not just functionality, but that essential feeling of control and safety, making your adventures in your YJ or CJ truly enjoyable again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.